In today's episode, a technique that will change your life. How to clean a burnt pan in seconds.
Homa, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. Now before you take out that steel wool or something abrasive, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to clean this in seconds.
Swirl some water in the pan. Generous amount baking soda.
All you need now is literally your hands.
Use your hand in the baking soda to rub off the burnt bits. Don't be afraid to use the baking soda and apply some pressure. Wash and rinse with dish soap. You can now cook with and clean your stainless steel pan with absolute confidence.
And that is literally it. Amazing. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.